Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a vinegar-based pickled peppers with tomatoes recipe that will add color to your tables and can be prepared in 10 to 15 minutes. Let's wash and roast about half a kilogram of pointed peppers. I easily roasted them in a sandwich toaster. They roasted in about 8 to 10 minutes. After they cool slightly, let's chop them into large pieces. Let's pour 1 tea glass of vinegar into the pan. Grape or apple vinegar doesn't matter. Add 1 tea glass of water, half a tea glass of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 to 3 cloves of grated garlic. Then, when it reaches the boiling point, add the chopped roasted peppers. Let it boil for about 5 minutes on high heat with the lid closed. Then, after lightly draining the water, let's transfer them to a plate. To the remaining water, vinegar, and oil mixture in the pan, add 1 tomato sliced into thin pieces. Cook for a few minutes by turning both sides. Let's transfer our slightly cooked tomatoes to a serving plate. Add the peppers we cooked earlier on top. As you saw in the video, our vinegar-based pickled peppers with tomatoes, with its incredible flavor that you can prepare in minutes, is ready to serve. I hope you try it and like it too. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.